Ready to ditch the workflow chaos and take complete control of your automation destiny? In this video, we're diving deep into how to self-host N8n with Docker, giving you the keys to your very own automation kingdom. First, you'll need a server, whether it's a cloud VM or a machine in your closet. Make sure it has Docker and Docker Compose installed. Verify your installation by checking the versions of both Docker and Docker Compose. This ensures that you have all the necessary tools. Then, we'll grab the official N8n Docker Compose file. You can download this directly from the N8n documentation or create your own, customizing it to fit your specific needs. Open the Docker Compose file in your editor of choice. Pay close attention to the ports. These need to be open on your server's firewall. Also, review the volume section. These determine where your N8n data will be stored persistently. You can define variables like database settings, time zone, and the host URL for your N8n instance. Save your Docker Compose file, and then, in your terminal, navigate to the directory containing the file. Execute the command docker compose upd. This will download the N8n image and start the container in detached mode, running it in the background. Give it a minute or two to spin up, then open your web browser and navigate to the address you configured in your Docker Compose file, usually your server's IP address or domain name followed by the specified port. Voila! You should see the N8n interface, ready for you to create your automation masterpieces. Now you have the power to integrate N8n with any service you desire. Customize every aspect of your setup, and scale it precisely to your needs. Congratulations on taking control of your automation future. Happy automating!